What should we call it? A milk float perhaps? Yes. Really call it Richard Jonathan, milk listeners, from scratch. Well, we'll have a look out. He's done a lovely job and he lives up in top of them. He says from the bank side of the name to the top of them. Absolutely superb. Very lucky to have it with us here at Astle Park. Owned by Philip Braithwaite with the name Welchum. I think that's because it took him such a long time to restore it. Built in 1925. Now we have Lady Carrick.
Sit down, Luke.
Brought on by Des Bostock in St Fowler. Built in 1902, but it belonged to the Carrick family in Tasmania, Australia. Des Bostock brought it back. Here we have it here with us at Astle Park. Another Burrell, built in Thetford. Nice engine that is, I have to say. Bowden, King George V. Superb engine, Chris put a lot of work into polishing this engine, built in 1912. So there we have it. Marvel family from Highly. Don't destroy the commentary point. That's all I have. Now then, what can I say about this? Superb engine, foremost, built in 1911 for Charles Openshaw of Reading. She was used for furniture haulage up until the First World War. Then she was sent to southern France. Some believe she may have been involved in the war effort. She was repatriated in 2008, brought by the war. And you have seen it somewhere, English Princess. Enabling brought along by Andy Baines, built in 1913. Now what is this one? Another Burrell, built in Thetford. Is it trailers behind it and a water cart. It makes a wonderful sight, unless of course you're behind in your car. But a lovely engine. Oh yes, there it is. I've lost it again now. Maynard, that's it. Long Irene Bridge in the Isle of Man. The Wallace, built in 1880, quite a while, and we're looking to see it here at Astle Park. Clark family for bringing in that. Now we have another Sentinel, this time the Tarmac Limited. Superb six-wheel Sentinel. Sentinels were very advanced. We're still building Sentinels in the mid-50s with all the other engine manufacturers. And we're very lucky that we have two together in the arena. Now then, what have we here? Earl E. Riser, driven by a thin Chili. Beautiful condition, that engine. Spent all its life with New Mills Council before being purchased by David Lomas. And a wonderful job is made of it. Brought along built in 1912. The Sentinel and past the commentary point before. That's going down the back now. Maggie May is celebrating 100 years old today. Can you believe that? A couple of health and safety people, will you stop children driving the engines? There we go. A nice little pole belonging to staff landing. Anyway, that belongs to Mr. Wilkinson from Blackpool, that's controlled along by John Stapp. Superb legend. Little burrow tracks, look at this. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Yeah. 2 to 5 inches deep. Don't know who's this one is here. Yes, further. So that is more. Stuart Phillips owns it. It's a Burrell Showman's Road locomotive built in 1909. Now we have Alan Pater with this Gold Works bus. It's a replica, originally built in 1903. Alan Grandjob built it again. I believe it was used to transport Gold Works van. I'm not sure. 1975 Pater. Also a picture there. I'd like to see. Hello? There's the one that's been working on it. Carbon. Showman's Road loco. That's it, I wonder. Still wanted to be good, Ivy May, and Will comes along from Sandbach. He actually has a full-size engine for that magnet piece that we've got. Roberts on his Morris McLaren type on the road in Holmes Chapel. Taking McLaren and Franklin. Philip Holston, Sam Batch with his 6-inch boat, C-type steam lorry. pride of Sandbach. The village league committee is running for many, many years. Blossom. Number 21, Ken Rogers. This is for his quarrel with the club. Ken Rogers come on the name from Number 1, Mark Adams on his 4-inch quarrel. Alexander and Mark, Stutton Road, Northwich. Richard Doyle and his 4-inch Foster, Lord and Knock. Mike Hodgkins on his 4-inch Foster, Arthur Job, and he comes from Swinton. Young Jeremy Sheldrake from Audlem with his 6-inch Foden C-type sleeplock. Number 5, Roger Poppleton, the 4-inch Foden C-type, 4-inch Garrett Rose, and he played for 4-inch Foden Alex. Now what's this, I asked myself, it's very nice. Beautiful. Ellington and Roland are very well known. Fairground worker, fairground operator, I should say. Hello, you have a nice time. Now we have Ian Stafford.